This Century 21 Keiser & Company real estate property video is presented by Vicki Reinhardt. This is a beautiful modular home sitting on 4 corner lots. It has a large master bedroom and bath with 3 more bedrooms with a second bath. There is additional room to be used as an office or study. It is an open floor plan with 2 living rooms and a fireplace in the second living room. Well-maintained and peaceful large yard with a privacy fence. Fence does need some repair. Lovely place to call your new home. The metal roof is 2.5 years old. For more information, review the details below or contact Vicki Reinhardt at 512-665-8582.